Now, if you want to implement port security on port number 1, or we can define the range of ports, I can simply go to interface range F0 by 1 to F0 by 10. We can define a port can be an access port or it can be a trunk port. Now, the port security feature is not going to work if your port is in a dynamic desirable or dynamic auto modes. And mostly on the switches, the port will be in the dynamic desirable or auto modes, which is something what default mode. Port security is not going to work. So we need to ensure that that particular port, either it should be an access port or it should be a trunk port. Okay, so we can define the maximum number of MAC addresses. Like in my example, I'm going to define a maximum of 3 MAC addresses can be learned on this particular ports. Now this command switch port security is going to enable the feature port security on that particular port. And in the next command, we are going to define the maximum number of MAC addresses can be learned on that particular port.